Today we are going to study array declaration and 1D 2D array. What is array? Array is a collection of elements of similar data types referred by the same variable name. Continuous memory block is allocated to all these array elements. Need of array. First, store multiple values in the variable with same name. Second, store multiple values together. Array declaration and initialization. Declaration syntax. Data type, array name in bracket size. For example, integer age in bracket t. Here data type is integer, array name is age, and size is 10. For the character array, we declare the data type as char, age in bracket is equals to, for the curly braces, you write the alphabets in the single quote and then the semicolon. Now let us see the initialization. First, initialize the array once it is declared. Second, initialize the array while declaring. For example, integer age in bracket 5. Here 5 elements to be stored, so it will be from 0 to 4. That is age of 0 4, age of 1 24 till the age of 4 45. That is total 5 elements are stored. Now the second one example is int age 5 is equals to, as these are the integers, so no need of the single quote here. In the curly braces you write the 5 elements and the semicolon. Now let us see the types of array. There are 3 types of array. First one dimensional array. An array with single subscript is called as one-dimensional array. The second one, two-dimensional array. For example, age in bracket 1 and another bracket 2. Two-dimensional, so the 2 brackets. Multi-dimensional array is age. There are 3 brackets. More than 2 brackets, that is multi-dimensional. Now, let us see the program. Here in this, the input from the user is taken and the output is given. Here array is declared integer a of 5 and I is declared integer I. Here for 2 for loops are used. One for loop is for the input and another is for the output. In this, I is equals to 0, I is less than 5, I plus plus, that is increment in I. So when there will be increment, the I from 0 it will become 1, 2, 3 and 4 till 4, because I is less than 5, that is 4. So printf enter values number. For the user to enter the value, we are giving the order to enter the values. And here the scanf is used to store the value in the array. Here a of I means a of 0. Then again the loop will go, I will become 1 and a of I, that is a of 1. Again the loop will go, then it will become a of 2 till a of 4. Then another loop, display values number %d for this I and another %d for a of I. Here the same way a of I will increase, that is a of 0, a of 1, a of 2, a of 3 and a of 4. Now let us see the output. This is the output of the program. Here it tells enter the values. Here we entered the value 1, that is enter value number 1. Now we have entered the value 2. In this way, enter the value. In this, look at the first line, enter value number 0, that is a of 0 is 1. In the second line, enter the value number 1, that is a of 1 is 2. In the same way, everything is that. See, as I told you, a of 0 is 1, that is display value number 0, that is a of 0 is 1. In the same way, all the 5 elements are entered.